Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use MySQL with Node.js. So at first you need to open your terminal and check the version of Node.js, and right inside the terminal node space WS version to check the version of it, and then write npm space WS version to check the version of npm, that is node package manager, and then write MySQL space WS version to check the version of MySQL. Alright, now you have to write inside the terminal sudo space npm space install space MySQL, and it will install all the dependencies that you will need to implement here. And make sure that you have already started MySQL server. So I have used XAMPP to start my MySQL server at 3306 port, and you have to open your text editor. So I have opened my VS Code text editor and I am creating index.js file here in the same directory where I have installed the MySQL dependency. Here you can see that index.js file. So inside the index.js file I'm writing some code here, that is where MySQL equals to require MySQL, and you will need to import the MySQL module here, and then write where con is the connection variable, and equals to MySQL.create connection, and inside the create connection you have to give all the parameters like all the name and value, like the host and the password and the username that you have for the general purpose MySQL setting. So I have the username as root, so I'm giving the username as root here, and my password is blank, so I'm going to write password colon, and here I will keep it as blank, and then just write con.connect, and here I will need a callback function. So inside here I will need one variable to show the error, and if the error happens, so it will just throw the error to the console. So like write throw space error, and if there is no error, just console log like it is connected. Alright, so just save it and go in the terminal, just write sudo space npm space index.js to run the above program. Press enter. Here you can see that connected is written there, so in the console you can see connected. Alright, now how can you connect a query here? So if you want to execute some query here, you need to write con.query, and for the first parameter you have to pass create database, and I'm creating my database name as MyDB, and after that second parameter will be again a callback function, and here the URL to check the error. Alright, so write again, that is if there is an error it will just throw the error, and if it is not there, just print that is the database connected or something like that. So if there is no error, it will just console like database created. Okay, so now save it and go back to your terminal again. Now terminate the program and then again write sudo space node space index.js, and you can see some errors there, and it is showing that can't create database mydb, database already exists. So I had to change my database name. So I'm changing my database name to my new db, and just again trying to do the same thing. So write sudo space node space index.js, and at first you can see the console as connected, and then again you can see the console as database connected. So thank you for watching.